Hey there everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we explore personal growth, creativity, and ways to elevate your life. You know I'm all about helping you unlock your full potential, and today I'm going to share something super close to my heart. 5 powerful reasons why you should write a book. Yes, you. Trust me, writing a book can be one of the most transformative things you'll ever do. It's a journey of self-discovery, a chance to make a real impact, and an incredible way to leave your mark on the world. So if you've been on the fence about putting pen to paper or fingers to keyboard, this video is for you. Get ready to be inspired because we're about to dive into why writing a book could be the most amazing adventure you embark on. Let's dive in. First up, writing a book allows you to share your unique story with the world. Think about it. No one has lived your experiences, felt your feelings, or seen the world through your eyes. That, my friend, is powerful. Everyone has a story worth telling, and your experiences, yes, even the messy, imperfect ones, have the power to inspire, educate, or entertain others. Whether it's a raw and vulnerable memoir, a whimsical fiction novel that transports readers to another dimension, a children's book that sparks a love for reading, or even a collection of heartfelt poems or insightful essays, your voice deserves to be heard. Don't hold back. Don't underestimate the power of your journey. It could become someone's guidebook for overcoming challenges, a source of comfort, or the permission slip they've been waiting for to finally go after their dreams. You know, sometimes we think our stories are too small, too insignificant. We compare ourselves to others and think, who am I to write a book? But that's just the fear talking, my friend. Your story matters, and by sharing it, you give others permission to do the same. That's the magic of storytelling. It connects us, uplifts us, and reminds us that we're not alone. So what story are you yearning to tell? What experience has shaped you, changed you, or made you who you are today? That's the story begging to be written, and the world is waiting to read it. Reason number 2 why you should write a book might blow your mind. It's a way to leave a legacy. We all want to leave our mark on the world, to create something that outlasts us, right? Well, a book can do just that. Long after you're gone, your words can live on, inspiring generations to come. Your thoughts, ideas, and stories, all those incredible things swirling around in your heart and mind, can be passed down through generations, becoming a timeless piece of your existence. Imagine your great-grandchildren reading your book and gaining insight into who you were and what you stood for. They'll get to know your heart, your humor, your dreams. It's like leaving a piece of your soul behind. And it's not just about family. Your book could resonate with people you'll never meet, in countries you'll never visit. It's incredible to think about the ripple effect your words could have, long after you've penned them. Books are more than just paper and ink. They're a piece of your soul, a gift you share with the world. So, what wisdom do you want to impart? What lessons have you learned throughout your life? What stories will make your great-grandchildren laugh, cry, and feel deeply connected to you across time and space? Write that book, my friend. Leave your legacy. Chapter 3. Number 3 is for all the experts out there, the thought leaders, the change makers, the ones who are deeply passionate about sharing their knowledge with the world. Writing a book positions you as an authority in your field. Whether you're a business professional, a creative visionary, a tech genius, an artist, or an entrepreneur, a book adds instant credibility to your name. It's like your ultimate business card, but 1,000 times more powerful. Think about it. When you see someone's name on a book cover, don't you automatically think, wow, they must really know their stuff? People take authors seriously, and for good reason. Pouring your heart and expertise into a well-written book shows the world you're not messing around. It demonstrates your commitment to your craft and your passion for sharing your gifts. And guess what? A book can open doors to a whole new world of opportunities. Think speaking engagements, workshops, media appearances, collaborations with other rock stars in your industry, and even career advancement. It's like leveling up your expertise in a major way. So if you're ready to share your brilliance, to be recognized as the go-to expert in your field, it's time to write that book. Your knowledge is valuable, and the world is waiting to learn from you. Chapter 4. Okay, let's talk about reason number 4, and this one is near and dear to my heart. Writing a book is an incredible journey of self-discovery and personal growth. I'm talking about those aha moments that make your soul sing, the breakthroughs that shift your perspective, the deep inner work that transforms you from the inside out. As you write, you'll find yourself reflecting on your experiences, values, and beliefs in a whole new light. It's like therapy, but with a tangible published outcome that you can hold in your hands. The process challenges you to think deeply, stay disciplined, and overcome those pesky inner voices of self-doubt that love to hold us back. You'll dig deep into your experiences, excavate hidden beliefs, and uncover truths about yourself that you never knew existed. It's like going on an archaeological dig, but instead of searching for ancient artifacts, you're unearthing the treasures buried within your own heart. And let me tell you, by the time you've typed the end on that last page, you'll not only have a finished product, a beautiful book that you birthed into the world, but also a better understanding of yourself, your purpose, and what truly lights you up. So if you're ready for a journey of self-discovery that will transform you in ways you never imagined, writing a book just might be the most incredible adventure you embark on. Chapter 5. All right, my friend, let's talk about reason number 5. And this one's a juicy one. Writing a book can generate income. Yes, you heard that right. Your words have value, and they have the power to create financial abundance while making a difference in the world. Whether it's through book sales, royalties, or related opportunities like coaching, consulting, workshops, online courses, or even merchandise, your book can become a valuable asset that keeps on giving. Imagine creating a source of passive income that allows you to do more of what you love, reach more people, and have a greater impact. And here's the best part. With today's self-publishing platforms and the power of the internet, getting your book out into the world is easier than ever before. You don't have to wait for a traditional publisher to say yes. You have the power to share your message with the world right now. So that passion project you've been dreaming about, that book that's been simmering in your soul, it could become a sustainable income stream that supports your dreams, fuels your creativity, and allows you to live a life of freedom and purpose. So there you have it. 5 compelling reasons to write a book. Whether it's to share your story, leave a legacy, build authority, grow personally, or create income, writing a book is a journey worth taking. If you've ever thought about writing a book, even for a fleeting second, let this be your sign to start now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. And hey, if you've written a book or are thinking about it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What story are you ready to share with the world? Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep elevating.